For the GEMÜ 1435 ePos positioner, there are two types of electrical connection. A choice of M12 connectors or cable glands. For the version with cable glands, you must open the cover of the positioner to connect the electrical cable. After removing the housing bolts, swing open the lid so that you can guide the cables through the unions and connect it to the terminal strip in accordance with the installation and operating instructions. When closing the lid, make sure that no cables or wires are caught. The housing seal must be positioned exactly in the corresponding groove to ensure compliance with protection class IP65. You must also make sure that the inserted cables are secured using the cable glands. This ensures that the cable is not strained. At the same time, the ingress of dirt and moisture is prevented. To connect the electro-pneumatic positioner with the valve, a travel sensor is required. Depending on the valve size, different designs are available. To adapt the travel sensor to a valve, a corresponding mounting kit is required. This generally consists of a threaded adapter, a plastic adapter, and a spring. First, fit the mounting kit on the travel sensor. If you need a threaded adapter, fit this first. Now insert the spring and screw on the plastic adapter. You can hold the spindle of the travel sensor in place using suitable pliers to enable you to fit the plastic foot more easily. Take care not to damage the surface of the spindle. You have now fitted the mounting kit. The positioner can be fitted on the valve in two different ways. In the case of direct mounting, the travel sensor is screwed into the valve together with the mounting bracket. After this, tighten the travel sensor gently using an appropriate tool. Mount the positioner on the mounting bracket using two M6 screws. In the case of external mounting, the travel sensor is screwed directly into the valve. Then tighten it gently using an appropriate tool. The positioner can now be placed at a distance of up to 30 meters away from the valve.